Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Bersua tip in the night. Now shows alertness at this time and catching the lead. Racing in third, Tiger Moon by the Rail Sail Street. Mind that win, then comes Speedmaker. And trading the group is Epira. Past the last 900 tip in the night, leading the field by a length. Then by the release, Tiger Moon running in between runners, Bersua. Mind that wind is on the outside fourth. Then followed by Speedmaker and Sail Street as they round to the last 600. Tip in the night, still leading the field, Bersua. Then by the release, Tiger Moon, Mind that wind as they race to the final corner. Fernando Raquel Jr. on tip. In the night, still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Tiger Moon is by the rail second. Bersua, Mind that wind with the last 150 more to run. Tip in the night, this time by 3. Running in second, Tiger Moon, Bersua, Mind that wind. And finally, from A to Z, Tip in the night, Tiger Moon. Then comes Bersua, Mind that wind, Sail Street, Epira, and Speedmaker.